Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how to create a multi-body part. Multi-body part is a part that consists of two or more bodies. So let's show how this works. Let's create a sketch on the top plane. Let's go with circle. Let's start here. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go with diameter, 20 millimeters. Let's make a vertical distance of 40 millimeters. And let's make horizontal distance 40 millimeters as well. Like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go here. Let's create a center line. Let's go with vertical center line to the origin, and from the origin, horizontal center line. Like this. And now let's go to mirror. So we're going to mirror this circle about the center line, horizontal, like this. And let's go to mirror entities again. Now let's choose this circle and this circle. Let's mirror about vertical center line here. Let's click OK. Now let's go to features, extruded boss base. Let's go with depth 100 millimeters, like this, and let's click OK. So here we have 4 cylinders, and this is a part file. If we go here to Feature Manager Design Tree, here we can see that we have folder Solid Bodies. Let's open this folder. And here we can see that we have 4 bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is multi-body part. So this is the part file that consists of 4 solid bodies. But now let's create another body. Let's go on this face. Let's create a sketch. Let's go with circle. Like this. Let's put some diameter here. Let's go with 200. Like this. Let's click OK. Let's go to features and let's extrude this 10 millimeters. And let's click OK. Now, if we go to Feature Manager Design Tree, we don't have folder solid bodies because now this is one body. Because all those 4 bodies from before are connected with this cylinder here, with this plate. Now, if we go to Boss Extrude 2, let's go to Edit Feature. Here we have an option Merge Result. By default, this is checked, which means that this feature will be merged with those features here, with those 4 legs. If we uncheck this and click OK, now those features are not connected. And now if we go to Feature Manager Design Tree, here we have no folder solid bodies. And we have 5 bodies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So only by unchecking Merge Results, we got multi-body part. Now let's go and let's save this part file. Let's call it multi-body. Let's save it to desktop. So this is a part file. This is not assembly. Let's save it. And now what is the advantage to have a multi-body part? So we got a multi-body part only by unchecking Merge Results. So if we go here to Feature Manager Design Tree, for example, let's go to this feature here, to this body here. We can go here, right click, and we can isolate this. For example, like this. Let's exit. So this is the one option. We can change the material only for this body. So let's go cast alloy steel. Now we can see that this leg has different appearance. We can go here. We can also change transparency. Like this. And now this leg is transparent, as you can see. Let's go right click. Let's uncheck change transparency. And we can save those bodies separately. But before we do so, let's save the part again. Let's save the changes. Let's go to Solid Bodies folder, right click. Let's choose Save Bodies. So now here we can choose which bodies we want to save. And we can save them separately as a part files. So for example, we want to save this plate here. Let's click on this plate, and here we have a checked Boss Extrude 2 body. And we want to save this leg. And here we have a check this. Before we click OK, let's uncheck Consume Cut Bodies because we don't want to cut other bodies. And now let's click OK. And now here on the Feature Manager Design tree, we have a new feature, Save Bodies. Let's go to Window here, and here we can see that we have two parts, Boss Extrude 2, this is our plate, and here we have Boss Extrude 1 tree, and this is our leg. Now let's go to Multibody part, again, this one, and let's create another feature. Let's go to this face and let's create a sketch. Let's go with Circle, like this. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go with 30 millimeters. Let's click OK. Now let's go to Features and let's cut this. Let's go through all and click OK. And now let's save this. And now let's go to our separate files. Let's see if we have on this plate, in the separate file, this hole. So let's go to Window. Let's go to Boss Extrude 2. And we can see that here we don't have this hole. So why is that? Let's go again back to our multibody. Let's go to Feature Manager Design tree. So here we have a feature, Save Bodies, and the Cut Extrude is after Save Bodies. If we want to include Cut Extrude 1, this feature, into this plate file, we have to click on this feature, Cut Extrude 1, hold it, drag here and position before Save Bodies, like this. And now we can see that first we have Cut Extrude and then Save Bodies. Now let's save this. Let's go here to the Boss Extrude 2. And now here we can see that we have this hole. So this is how you can work with multi-body parts. The advantage of multi-body part is that you can save parts separately, that you can save bodies separately. You can change their material separately, transparency, and so on. And keep in mind that the multi-body part is not assembly. This is part file because we don't have dynamical relations between the parts. Hey, my name is Sal and thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a Solidworks professional, if you want to earn a Solidworks official certificate, then you have to pass Solidworks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn Solidworks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for Solidworks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way you can make passive income. So if you want to get Solidworks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.